Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, I am going to explain about how to create the table, right, by representing the caption and as well as headings also. Suppose here I am creating one table. Suppose the table which consists the employee details or consists the account details. For example, account details I am taking. Account details. Here it consists account number, account holder name, and the balance in account. The three, and with some details. These are the account numbers with the different values, is account holder names, account holders names we are writing, and some balances we are representing. Balances. That is, how can we create the table? And this is called caption. Table caption. And these are the heading tags we are representing with a TH. And this is row is representing with a TR. And these are the columns we are representing with a TD. We need to understand all these things. So here directly I am representing from the body tag, body start and body end. In this one, I am creating the table tag. This is the table tag. Table start, table end. Table end. In this table, now we are checking that first one we need to create the caption. So, the caption we are creating, caption. This one. And the name of the table is account details. By default, it will not give any border to this table. If you want to give the border, simply here we specify that border is equal to 1, 2, 3, anything. Any one value we can give. With the help of one attribute, we can set the border to the table. So table is ready. Now the table contains how many rows? First row, second row, third row and fourth row. So clearly we are representing this is first row. TR close is a second row. TR is a TR close. Third row is a TR closed. Is a fourth row. TR is a TR closed. 4 are present. Now among the 4 rows, the first row contains only headings. So we are representing with the headings TH. Table heading, the TH first heading is a number, TH. Second heading, TH, second heading is a name, is a TH close. Third one is a TH, contains that balance. Balance is a TH. So this is the first row. First row consists only headings. So the 3 headings we are representing with the 3 TH tags. Now come to the second row. This is the second row. The second row contains only data. See here, the data we are representing TD. TD and the values we are specifying 101 is a TD close. Second one is a TD, a third one is also TD. The values we are specifying that name of the account, next one is a balance in account, is a TD, and next one is a TD. Next, come to the third row. In the third row also we are creating the 3 table data things. That is 102 and the name, and next one that value we are creating is a TD close here, TD close here, TD close here. Like this we are creating. And look at the third one is the same. Just like that we can create. This is how we are giving the caption, right? Border to the table and representing the headings and representing the data to this table. So this is how we are creating the table with any number of records. Okay, practice your own tables. Hope you understood. Thank you.